Everyone, this is DSM. I hope you had a great day today. I just wanted to make another video and update you about the small account challenge we had. Today I made $404 on shorting ACB and AMRN. Come on. Anyway, so I want to close this month with $2,530. It's around 50% on the initial investment, which was $5,000, and I traded under PDT rule, and that was just the proof that you see it's possible to make 50% gain in 1 month while you are trading under PDT rule. So if I make other trades in the following days, I will update you and hope to see you guys in the chat room. Good luck. See you everyone. Good night.